Tigil mo na lang po. Kasi yung iyak ng bata. Tigil mo na lang yung pakiyak. Di ako makadash eh.
Bumalik tuloy yung luha.
I'm just trying for the memories of my mother, of my dad.
I'm crying because I didn't sleep last night.
That is the first time to me recently my mom our birthday today. So my mother also is birthday today. That's the first time in the history in my life I celebrate my birthday together with my mom. And that's so very happy because I saw the face father ko. Gano'n siya. Kahappy. So, ito yung day na nakita ko yung father ko. I saw my father that is very happy with us. Pero ngayon, wala na. Supposed to be happy. I'm so happy today. But sometimes, the memories just can't forget. Pero thank you for all of you guys, mga pera, also Marco. Alam ko sa dapat Marco say, ito, quick message ko lang sa nanay ko. So, Nay,
Zoe.
happy birthday, all of us. Sorry if I'm not there again. But soon we will see you. So, Nay, happy birthday. Alam mo, mahal kita. And all of you, sorry if I'm just emotional right now kasi hindi ko talaga maalis yung sa mind ko. Yung nangyari this year. So this year is a lot of struggles, sadness, but we're happy with you guys. So thank you so much sa lahat na nagbigay ng gift, nagluto, nag-effort. Thank you. So happy lang tayo. So thank you so much mga friends.
My God.
So I thought
Give me the hat. Give me the... I don't always...
Wow, sana kaya.
It's wrong.
China all! Yes! Adidas! Adidas! Adidas!
Kasya ba to? Thank you. Nadagdagan na naman ang aking collection. Thank you.
Parang 41 ka, Glenn.
Collection, thank you. Thank you for Esma and Esma. Thank you.
Next, that is kay Mercy. Mercy.
This is for Mercy.
Yeah.
So, kay Mercy muna.
Wag mo na. Parang hindi ka naliligo. Kaya
Alam nila, no?
alam nila.
Naligo.
Alam nila.
Kailangan na maligo si
Alam mo ba? Alam mo na. Alam mo na. Ay, parang ano, parang
Ligo ka na. Ligo ka na.
ligo ka na, liligo ka na.
Yes, that's the kid. Don't worry, I go to shower, okay, every day. I go shower every day.
Beide also. Es geht ja beide.
Thank you so much.
Happy graduation! Happy graduation!
Wow!
Rich food!
Great food.
Marco! Peter! Tourist food! Respect food! Leka! Leka!
Joker yan. Joker.
Okay, from Chi and Jessa.
Bet all! Bet all! Bet all!
May pantong.
No, anak. Wala, wait.
Ay,
Ano na yan? Tashin
akin din. Hindi yung ibigay ka kasi, ibigay mo rin sa Pilipinas.
Parang ito din yata ibibigay mo ah.
From Lino Glenn, from Maya and Lina. Sorry. Sorry naman.
1 million kasi yun.
Alam niyo na
Amazon!
Amazon Pepe. Ang hirap mo naman dito. Mamaya na.
Eh, buksan nyo.
Bigyan mo ng kutsilyo si Glenn. Bigyan ng kutsilyo si Glenn. Pwede bang sakit na lang ito? Pralinen!
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 Pralinen! Pralinen!
Thank you so much. At Alicia pa yung of course, yung plate na
Mia.
Nee, nein, aber jetzt.
Yes.
Nein, das ist genau ja.
Basahin mo.
Ito, galing kay happy birthday.
Kay Paul.
Yes. We wish you all the desire your heart will become
Napagkamalan si Mia na
who you are.
ng kuya ko. Kasi naglalaro sila sa bahay.
Take care of yourself always and
Kanino daw galing?
okay. Screaming.
Kanino galing?
Tulungan mo ako basta bobo ako.
Alan and Robbie.
Alan and Robert.
Yay!
That's dildo.
Ang ganda. Wait.
Dildo.
Eh, ang ganda rin ng handwriting.
I mean dildo.
Go to the toilet.
Lang na binigyan yung message na sa anak ko. Pinikip ko siya lagi.
Sige, next time message na lang rin. Sabihin mo. Masaya ka na pala sa message.
Binabamuha ba ako?
Parang nakakahalata na kami.
Sana na nagigets mo anong gusto
Oo,
sabihin.
parang nakahalata na kami.
Gets mo na.
Pang-Pilipinas daw yan.
Pang-pasalubong.
That's your favorite.
Parang
That's your favorite.
Wow!
Maganda yung mga nagsaset.
May sinasabi siya. Gizag is good when sex to the, this when doing
Ah!
candlelight in bed. Sana mo like in bed.
Eto ay pwede na binigay yung intro.
Let's go, let's go.
Best picking na kayo talaga.
Go, go, go.
Nagbibigay.
Ayun ang pagdadalo.
Baka Cinderella yan, be.
Ay!
Lagyan mo daw niyan para kay
Para malikas ka daw din sa
Adidas! Adidas! Adidas!
Maganda naman ang pamangkin ko yan. Eto kay Mama
Armani! Armani!
Ay, basahin mo.
Paypal!
Oh my God. Gusto ikaw magbasa para sa akin.
Hindi, basahin mo yan. Dutch yan, Dutch.
English na naman. Dear Glenn,
Hi!
happy birthday.
Saya.
You are not getting older, just more experience in doing so. Congrats on surviving another year of the jokes and pranks. That's the real achievement. May your day be filled with love and zero responsibility. Another year older, still no sign of maturity. Keep up the great. Thank you so much. Binanap na po yung message.
Nakainin na ka sa rin.
Oh, hindi mo pa minuksan ang regalo mo.
Nagbasa ka ng message. Wow po.
And sige. Take freedom. Take freedom.
Yung graduation ko.
Take off! Take off! Take off!
Go!
You need rejuvenating set!
Last na yan.
Pogi ka.
Let's go na po.
Marco's favorite is Takando. Yeah? Marco.
Eto.
Kay Zoe yan.
From Suyo Organization Family Life. Ay, meron pa pala dito. For team, it's a prank. Pwede buksan?
Huwag na.
Huwag na
Alam mo na yan.
Emergency.
Mm.
Ito, from Alan. Meron pa to. Pologa.
Yes.
Pangpulobo na naman tayo.
Siyempre, winter na.
Ba't yung tumilaro dito?
Ayun pa, oh.
That is for
Marco.
Parang iPhone. Parang iPhone.
sabon to, sabon.
iPhone Pro Max. Color array.
Fully paid. Fully paid.
Chocolate.
It's a prank. Walang laman.
Housing lang.
Housing lang naman yan, be.
Casing.
Casing.
Ay!
Thank you for my new phone.
Unboxing. Unboxing.
Unboxing.
Yan yung napaka-highlights dyan.
Ah.
Ay, hindi siya prank.
Hindi siya prank, babe.
Oh, mahulog.
Sige, baka ano, hanggang open ka lang.
Okay, Marco to.
Wow! Ah, ilagay mo.
Naka-iPhone din ako sa wakas.
Ayusin mo yung video niya, please.
Nandiyan na yan.
Pakapan mo ng luma mo.
Thank you, Chelsea. And all the...
Happy life, happy life.
Yes. Happy life, happy... Ano to? Happy wife, happy life. So, mga kabeshi, all of you guys, thank you so much for your wonderful gifts.
May natira pa.
So, thank you so much and God bless us. And enjoy the party!
Happy birthday
Thank you also. Ayun, ano ba yung alam sa ating ano?
Hindi, may manika pa, oh.
Ha?
May manika pa.
Uy, may mali!
Ay, ito naman eh.
May mali! Ano pagpulutan? Well, thank you so much again. Tomorrow, my viewers and followers and subscribers, don't forget to follow, like, and share. Thank you so much for watching this vlog.